Hi guys, welcome to this particular video. The agenda for this session is going to be understanding the syllabus for semester 5 BA major students, and the name of the course goes by Intermediate Microeconomics 2 Market, Government and Welfare. So this particular course is relevant for semester 5 students who are pursuing BA major economics. So we are going to discuss the syllabus and the exam pattern for this particular paper. So first thing again, major students के लिए है who are doing economics, major as a major discipline. All right. So this particular meeting was conducted on 14th of May 2024, and आपने पहले intermediate micro 1 किया है. This is the subsequent paper for that, intermediate micro 2. ये कोर्स जो है सेमेस्टर 4 BA ऑनर्स स्टूडेंट्स के पास भी होता था लास्ट टाइम. They just finished their exams a while back. So they also had the exact same course with the exact same units, but the reference books that they were referring were slightly different. What you are going to follow is going to be slightly different. So let's just talk about that in detail. So क्या क्या syllabus होने वाला है? Before that, the reference book that you are going to follow is Hall Varian Intermediate Microeconomics 2010. So Hall Varian, which is quite a popular book, जो पहले बहुत यूज होती थी. स्लाइटली बीच में यूनिवर्सिटी ने बहुत और भी अलग अलग तरीके की बुक्स को इम्प्लीमेंट करने की कोशिश करी है. नाउ दे बैक टू स्क्वायर वन. Hall Varian is the only book that they are going to refer. So इसकी workbook भी आप use कर सकते हो for practicing questions and all these things. All right. So the syllabus is entirely divided into 5 units. Let me just mention them. First unit is Monopoly, and the reference book for that is going to be chapter number 24 and 25 from your Hall Varian book. So that is going to be monopoly क्या होती है, किस तरीके से monopoly अपनी maximization problem को solve करता है. All of these things we are going to discuss in detail. All right. Unit number 2 is general equilibrium, and the reference for this is going to be chapter number 31 and 33 from your Hall Varian book. So general equilibrium में आप क्या करते हो? अभी तक आपने जो बातें करी हैं वो इस तरीके की हैं कि एक ही मार्केट के बारे में बात कर रहे हो. Now you are going to talking. You will start talking about what if people start exchanging, एक दूसरे के साथ trade करेंगे. So what should ideally be done? What is the most optimal thing? What does the market do if more than two markets interact? Alright. Welfare theorems क्या होती हैं? ये सब के बारे में हम डिटेल में बात करेंगे. So chapter number 31 and 33 from your Hall Varian book, ये उसके लिए reference रहेगी. Apart from that, unit number 3, models of monopolistic competition. So chapter number 25 में से ही एक section है 25.7 जो हम लोग use करेंगे for this particular topic. Alright. So ये monopoly से ही related है, लेकिन when there are multiple monopoly firms and there is slight competition between them, वो चीजें कैसे implement होंगी वो सब के बारे में बात करेंगे. Unit number 4 is externalities, कि जब आपके एक्शंस किसी दूसरे को इफेक्ट करने लगे पॉजिटिवली या नेगेटिवली, इस चीज को मॉडल के फॉर्म में कैसे समझेंगे. रेफरेंस विल बी चैप्टर नंबर 34 फ्रॉम हॉल वेरियन, एंड देन वी कम टू द टॉपिक ऑफ पब्लिक गुड. अभी तक जो भी डिस्कशन हुआ था वो प्राइवेट गुड्स के बारे में हुआ था. अब जो है हम लोग पब्लिक गुड्स के बारे में बात करेंगे. रेफरेंस विल बी चैप्टर नंबर 36 फ्रॉम हॉल वेरियन बुक. सो वेरी सिंपल सिलेबस. देयर इज जस्ट अ सिंगल बुक हॉल वेरियन, उसी के सारे चैप्टर्स हैं. चैप्टर 24, 25, 31, 33, 34 and 35, and the small section again from chapter number 25. ठीक है. So Hall Varian की ही एक workbook भी आती है which has a lot of practice questions, so you can refer that for doing more and more practice, and also you can refer the back questions from here as well. Apart from that, there's one more thing that you have to keep in mind. What about your exam pattern? First of all, before going on to the exam pattern, आप weightage समझ लो units का. Unit number 1 will carry 20% marks, 30% marks for unit number 2, 10% for unit number 3. So एक तरीके से monopoly and monopolistic competition को combine कर दे तो 30% weightage हो जाती है. And unit number 4 will carry 20%, and unit number 5 will also carry 20% weightage. So ये आपकी weightage है. इसी weightage के हिसाब से in your final exam questions will be asked, and the pattern that they have mentioned is that they can ask 7 questions. They will be asking 7 questions and out of which you will have to attempt 5 questions. And so basically 2 choices होंगी आपके पास, and all the questions will carry equal weightage. Your exam is for 90 marks, so 18 marks जो है each question they will distribute and you will have to attempt 5. ऐसा उन्होंने कुछ mention नहीं किया है कि sections होंगे और उसके अंदर internal choices होगी, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. 7 questions, attempt any 5. Each question will carry 18 marks, equal weightage. And this is the weightage unit-wise. Reference will be Hallvarian book, all these chapters. Hallvarian is a pretty standard textbook that people use. Alright. So this is for semester 5 BA Major Economics students. Name of the course is Intermediate Micro 2. So आपका extension है अगले पेपर का, जो आपने Micro 1 किया था पहले. Alright. So yeah, I think that's pretty much all that I wanted to discuss. And I will also be attaching the meeting link for this particular discussion in the description. You can check that out. And we are also going to start with semester 5 courses. You can check which courses we are going to take on our website, or if you want more information you can drop us a WhatsApp text, and the number will also be available in the description box. Alright, so I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much. Take care.